Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be blending up a concoction of neem leaves, hibiscus flowers, and onion to create a scalp treatment for thinning hair and hair loss. Before we wash our hibiscus flowers, we must first remove the pollen, since many people have an allergic reaction to it. Then we are going to remove the stem. Now we cut our onion into small pieces and place it into our blending cup. Hibiscus leaves are rich in vitamin C and amino acid, and it improves blood circulation under the scalp. Therefore, it promotes hair growth. Neem leaves is an effective herb that treats hair loss. Neem has antibacterial, antifungal, and anti-inflammatory properties. It helps the hair follicles to become stronger and also encourages hair growth. Onion juice provides extra sulfur to the scalp to support strong and thick hair, therefore preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. If you are suffering from hair loss or hair fall, this is a great scalp treatment for you. If you haven't done so already, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. Also, like and share this video. Now it's time to get our stocking cap or cheesecloth ready, and it's very important that we strain the liquid. Finally, we are going to pour the liquid into our spray bottle and apply this treatment to our scalp.